Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Indian Business and Professional Council, a warm welcome to all of you. To begin with the online Antakshari, over to Mr. Naveen Sharma. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, and I welcome on behalf of IBPC each one of you. I have two requests. Please rename yourself properly because our host, Mr. Gaurav Sharma, will call you based on your name, and there is a lots of prizes to be won. I will not take much of your time, and I will invite our chairman, Shri Suresh Kumar sir, to address us. Suresh sir.
Greetings and welcome one and all to this first virtual Antakshari from IBPC. And I'm glad that we now have an opportunity to let the hair down, as they say. I don't have much of it, but let the hair down, as many say. And yes, some of you are, I think, touching it, and I agree. That's not a universal sharing. But more importantly, I think this is an opportunity to drive away the COVID blues. All of us, and particularly our families, brothers, sisters, friends, are undergoing, tremendous strain and stress, and in addition to ill health. And we just pray for them. And IBPC plans to do as much as it can to alleviate the suffering. More on that specifically later. But on this evening, it also marks, in a sense, the relaxation and restrictions that the government of Dubai has announced just a day or two back. In fact, we were thinking whether this Antakshari should be made live, but there were some logistical challenges, and so we will run with it virtually today. But I think going forward, at least for a month, these relaxation restrictions will enable us to have some physical events, perhaps some networking events, etc., when we can also perhaps enable some of our musical friends, some of the musical talent, the IBPC singing stars to come forward and join us, as indeed there is an opportunity tonight, this evening. So without further ado, let me not stand between you and the program. Welcome to all of you, and please do participate and please do enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request our Secretary General, Shri Dilip Sinha Sahab, to address us.
Thank you, Naveenji, and thank you, Sureshi, for your address. Good evening and namaste, everybody. First of all, I welcome you all to this entertaining evening that Sureshi has mentioned, that we want to drive away all COVID blues, and we thought that let us enjoy together and in a program which each one of us can express. And as he has already mentioned, our plans are during the relaxations, because our hands were tied because of all the COVID restrictions, plus also for health and safety of our members and guests, not to do live programs, but we are planning to have that, and you will start seeing that. And after this month also, as more and more relaxations happen, you will be seeing more and more activities and programs for us. So I would like you all to really chill out, enjoy, and participate. It doesn't matter if somebody is a professional singer or no. We all will sing, we all will enjoy. So enjoy the evening. Naveenji, all to you, and thank you.
Thank you very much. First, I have three requests. Number one is that please rename yourself so that the Mr. Gaurav Sharma can call you. There is a lots of prizes to be won. Secondly, keep your video open. That the video open is very, very important, because if the video is on, he can recognize you. He can request you to sing, and he has a special way which he will explain himself. It will be easy. And third and last is, if you are not singing, please put yourself on mute. It will help. The background noise will be very less. Before I call Mr. Gaurav Sharma, he is very well known. Presently, he is the Chief Programming and Digital Strategy Officer for Fever FM, Radio Nasha, Radio One, India's most successful radio network. He is known as Bhishma Pitama of radio. He is media professional and influencer and startup expert. He has hosted radio shows for more than 20 years. He is the host and creator of now world famous Antakshari with Sharma ji. He is spreading joy of music and conversation with lakhs of people across the globe. You all can see at 8 p.m. daily at Insta Live. And he had more than 200 global sessions he has hosted so far. We have a video because we have circulated the profile. So I will now ask Mr. CB to play the introduction video also.
ये जो गौरव शर्मा का शो आता है ना, अंताक्षरी विद शर्मा जी, ये लोगों को क्यों देखना चाहिए बताओ?
Well, because it's fun. It's musical, it's fun. We chat, we sing.
इसमें इतनी पॉजिटिविटी है, तो आई थिंक ऐसे पॉजिटिव वाइब जो देते हैं, ऐसे शोज को प्रमोट करना बहुत जरूरी है।
Antakshari with Sharma ji is a must watch.
देखना है तो अंताक्षरी विद शर्मा जी।
खामोश, शोर शराबे के साथ स्वागत कीजिए प्रेजेंटिंग शर्मा जी।
अंताक्षरी with Sharma ji.
Before I call him, I will take one more minute. We have a great singer with us. I know Mr. V.D. Agrawal. He is our own singer. He is singing. And I request not only the V.D. Agrawal, but the other singers. We have Ramesh Mahalingam, madam. Both are you are a very good singer. Pankaj Jain. And we have Mahendra Asar sir. Thank you. And I request each one of you to participate. This show is not one-sided. It's a two-sided. So please sing, take part, and make the show, because this is the first of its kind which IBPC is doing, wherein a professional host like Gaurav Sharma is hosting the event, and I know that he will be testing our music knowledge, and I'm sure that we will be able to answer most of the questions. I now request one and only G Sharma ji to come and entertain us.
Whoa. I just thought कि शुरू करते हैं मास्क के साथ, तो मतलब थोड़ा सा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, बहुत डिस्टेंसिंग है, बट थोड़ी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करते हैं. Hey is how I start my shows. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, ईद मुबारक, मई का महीना मुबारक, गर्मियां मुबारक आपको, कंगना का ट्विटर अकाउंट बैन मुबारक, भाई की राधे को मिले आधे स्टार का रिव्यू मुबारक, और फैमिली मैन 2 फाइनली रिलीज हो रही है मुबारक. लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स टू सेलिब्रेट, और मेरे लिए टू मीट ऑल wonderful people at IBC and IBPC and having a wonderful evening of music, films, engagement, entertainment. That is really the high point. And yes, it's time to play Antakshari with Sharma ji. भाई सोशल मीडिया पे जैसे नवीन साहब ने कहा कि ऑलमोस्ट 200 एपिसोड्स हो गए हैं, played with stars like Vidya Balan, Manoj Vajpayee, Tiger Shroff, शान, सोनू निगम, हुमा कुरैशी, प्रतीक गांधी, बट इन सबके साथ सेशंस हो गए. बट यार, आई एम सुपर डुपर नर्वस. आई मीन आई हैव नेवर प्लेड विद सो मेनी पीपल एट वन टाइम. सो यस, मुझे आप लोग संभालिएगा. एंड वेलकम टू अंताक्षरी विद शर्मा जी. नाउ लेट मी सी एवरीवन. मैं पहले मैं देख रहा था, सब लोग आ रहे थे. And I was wondering, I said, where are the women, yaar? There was only guys out there, dashing, smart. सिन्हा साहब को देखिए, मतलब ऐसी जैकेट तो मैंने मतलब अपनी शादी पे भी नहीं पहनी थी. And then of course I saw Jaya and I felt happy. I said, Jaya, you are there. क्या बात है? Ramesh, why are you there next to her? I mean, it just needs to be Jaya and me. That's about it, yeah. तुम हमेशा मतलब
ये iPad हमारी है.
And then, of course, I saw Shazia and I said, my God, is that Zeenat Aman? So, you know, I mean, she really looks like Zeenat Aman. Yeah, look at that smile. Look at that smile. अग्रवाल साहब, आप थोड़े से गंभीर नजर आ रहे हैं, लेकिन मैंने सुना कि इन सब में आप तोप हैं, बिल्कुल सिंगिंग के स्टार हैं, तो इसलिए मतलब आपके पास जरूर आएंगे. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स लुक एट अब्बास अली मिर्जा साहब, मतलब अक्षय कुमार से कम नहीं लग रहे हैं वो. या ही इज रॉकिंग. एंड आई लाइक नवीन साहब. शर्मा जी हैं, मैं भी शर्मा हूं, लेकिन उनके जो कॉलर वॉलर हैं बिल्कुल मतलब ही इज इन फुल फॉर्म. देन देयर इज सुनेजा जी हु शोइंग अस हिज सीलिंग इन हिज हाउस की क्या क्या है हमारी सीलिंग पे. घर तो नहीं दिखाते लेकिन सीलिंग दिखा रहे हैं कि देखिए ये इतना ब्यूटीफुल, ये वो, यू नो. एंड देन पंकज जी बहुत सीरियसली बैठे हैं. ही इज गॉट द स्वीटेस्ट स्माइल. यू नो, इफ आई वाज अ वुमन and if I was to have love at first sight, it would be Pankaj ji. Yeah, really. Agarwal saab, good to see you. And Sahitya, क्या नाम है? Sahitya Chaturvedi ji. And namaskar, Mrs. Chaturvedi ji, good to see you. And of course, there is one entire family. Ravi Mohan ji, आप गाड़ी में मतलब इतना डेडिकेशन और कमिटमेंट देखिए कि आपको घर पे नेटवर्क नहीं मिल रहा था, तो इसलिए आप गाड़ी में बैठ के अंताक्षरी विद शर्मा जी देख रहे हैं. क्या बात है, नॉट बैड एट ऑल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स महेंद्र जी, नमस्कार आपको भी. एंड रियली सुनीता जी, how can I not say it? You're the first lady I saw this evening, and I said all my songs will be devoted and dedicated to you, Sunita ji. So yes, everyone is here. We are going to be playing Antakshari. अरे एक मिनट, साहित्य जी, मतलब मैंने थोड़ी आपकी मिसेस की तारीफ कर दी, वो चली गई आप तो?
नहीं नहीं, कहीं जाएगी नहीं, वो यहीं रहेंगी, छोड़ के जा नहीं सकती.
अच्छा, हाँ. और ये विनीता जी भी आई हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी फैमिली पिक्चर लगा के रखी है. यू नो, आई एम रियली रिक्वेस्टिंग MC मनी साहब, हरीश शाह, Ravi, you know, if you can all put on your cameras, I think it'll be fantastic because this is an evening. And of course, Suresh Kumar ji, देखिए, he just said, you know, पहले when he said कि दिल थाम के बैठिए और, you know, बालों को संभालिए, and then, you know, I could actually see people in the audience kind of adjusting their hair and everything. क्या बात है, बिल्कुल. मुझे तो इनको देखकर वो शाकाल की याद आ जाती है शान में. You know? So I'm a little afraid of him right now. Shakal. Do you remember? Who all have seen Shan? So basically, we have to answer. You have to do this. Yeah. Then I know and I can pick you up. हाँ जी. तो बिल्कुल सिन्हा साहब ने ये कर दिया है. तो सिन्हा साहब सबसे yes, yeah. Just practice this because this is going to be our buzzword. This is going to be our buzzer. So whenever we are playing Antakshari, because we're playing with so many people, it is really it is IBPC versus Sharma ji. तो ये एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग गेम होने वाली है. लेट्स सी हु विंस. इनफैक्ट आई एम ऑलरेडी, मैं तो, यू नो, आई हैव गॉट माय कप ऑफ कॉफी. आई थॉट आई विल गेट समथिंग एल्स, बट मैंने वो परमिशन ली नहीं थी कि कैन वी डू चीयर्स प्लीज. शाजिया जी, जीनत अमान, सॉरी, कैन आई कॉल यू जीनत अमान?
शर्मा जी, हमारे साथ अब्बास साहब आ गए हैं. वो यूएस में है और स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट पे आए हैं. वो 100 के बराबर है. अब्बास अली मिर्जा साहब, पास्ट चेयरमैन.
बात है सर.
And he has released his two albums long back as a music lover, partner Deloitte, and he is ex-chairman of IBPC as well.
Fantastic. तो भाई आज तो फिर आपकी भी बहुत ही गायकी होगी. हम क्या करेंगे अंताक्षरी में, we'll kind of move from square to square. You know, we'll start and I would of course request you know, सिन्हा साहब को मैं सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, and then we'll move from square to square and everyone will get a chance to sing. सही गलत वो important नहीं है, but it's about enjoying your music, it's about enjoying your movies. हरीश जी is already ready, headphones लेके बैठे हैं, and he's kind of ready to sing the next song. मनी साहब, आप थोड़े से दूर हैं, थोड़ा सा नजदीक आ जाइए. आपका इतना प्यारा सा चेहरा है. If I can just get to see, ओहो क्या बात है. रजनीकांत की याद आ गई सर, मतलब आपको देख के सुपरस्टार. बट आई स्टिल लव सुमन साहब. ही इज स्टिल वेरी कीन ऑन शोइंग अस हिज सीलिंग. यू नो, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल. लुक एट हिम इवन नाउ, यू नो, मतलब सीलिंग दिखा रहे हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हु एल्स इज हियर? लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली हैंग ऑन. जब साहित्य जी आए थे तो देयर वाज वन. वो मैंने सुना था ना कि हम दो हमारे दो, अब हम दो हमारे तीन हो गए. Who is this lovely lady sitting to the left of you?
She is my daughter named Sanskriti.
Sanskriti, single or married?
No, she is single. She is a student in 12th standard.
सर मैं भी सिंगल ही कर रहा हूँ ये शो सर. मतलब है मेरी वाइफ, बट वो अलग है. तो जब तक हम इस अंताक्षरी में, and like we say ना, what happens in Antakshari stays in Antakshari. Yeah, so we don't kind of disclose what all has happened. Though I know that Shazia ji suddenly felt bad. He's saying, how can you be flirting with anyone else but me? Don't worry, Shazia ji. You and I did cheers, so we are there. I can see Mohammed Saab aa gaye. Mohammed Saab, namaskar. Looks as if he's just woken up. He's got that fresh, out of bed look, as they say, yeah, amongst the youth, right? So let me see who else is here. My God, any new faces? सौरभ जी, आपने अपना मतलब इतना क्यूट सा फेस, अगर मैं यहाँ पे, मुझे आपका चेहरा देख के मतलब रसगुल्ले की याद आ रही है सर. मतलब बिल्कुल, आप अगर अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लें तो बहुत बढ़िया है. All the women will want to kind of have a bite. There is Ashiki Mohammed, there is O'Neill Dakuna, there is Suresh Gandhi, there's Rajesh Agarwal. So really a big hello to everyone. तो अंताक्षरी शुरू करेंगे. रूल सिंपल है. Like I said, I will randomly pick people and we will go to them. There are some very exciting prizes that we have. Yes, there are some 10 vouchers from Lulu Supermarket. Those are the prizes that we have. So whoever wins will get. Kasim ji बिल्कुल तैयार हैं. Kasim ji is a cool dude. Yeah, he's like, hey, hang on. मैं बिल्कुल मतलब ऐसे chill करके बैठा हूँ. And आप
all pleasure to be with you, all of you, especially you.
I mean, I really would have loved, this past year has been so strange that, we do all of these, everything, or, on the net, and we kind of do it virtually. It'll be great fun to come, sit in a hall and play Antakshari live with everyone. वो मजा कुछ और ही है.
Hopeful to be physically even soon.
Of course. But my only request is Ravi Mohan ji still has to be in his car. ठीक है? He should be broadcasting live from the car. ये एक अलग ही सीन है उनका. आपके पीछे कौन बैठे हैं? मतलब मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. आप भी अपना सीलिंग दिखा रहे हैं मुझे. हाँ, हेलो. Very good, Ravi ji. आप कैमरा अपने से हटा लीजिए and keep it on these two lovely ladies. Oh, and there is another gentleman next to you. But again, I prefer the two lovely ladies behind. So great. Okay. So बैठे बैठे क्या करें? करना है कुछ काम. शुरू करो अंताक्षरी लेके IBPC का नाम. म is always the first alphabet that we start with. And Sinha साहब, क्योंकि आप बिल्कुल ही, like I said, you're even looking more dapper than I was looking on my wedding day. You have to start with M.
Well, I dedicate this song. I'm not a singer like other people you have mentioned, but I dedicate it to our country. All the things that is happening, we hope that country comes out of it. So I dedicate it.
Of course.
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती बैलों के गले में जब घुंघरू जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं, जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं. गम को सुदूर हो जाता है, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं. आते ही मस्त बहारों के दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत खिले. मेरे देश की धरती ओ, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती, इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया उसने ही पाया प्यार तेरा. यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं, यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं, है सब पे माँ उपकार तेरा. मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती. जय हिंद.
क्या बात है. जय हिंद, जय हिंद. Superb, superb. Come on, everyone. Everyone, a big round of applause. Even if you're on mute, we can see you. So yes, please give him a big round of applause. What a wonderful start to this Antakshari with Sharma ji, with a song that is devoted, dedicated to the nation. In fact, Ravi Sarto is now driving straight to Mumbai. Yeah, he is not going to stop. He has decided कि अब वो जहाँ पे भी हैं, right now he's on 140 kilometers per hour because you're in Dubai. But धीरे धीरे आप 80 से 60, 60 से 40, और फिर जब आप बम्बई पहुंचेंगे तो then 10 kilometers per hour is what you will be driving. But really, what a beautiful song. अब prizes जो हैं आपको मिलेंगे, A, for singing really well, And of course, you will also get prizes for answering questions. You know, it's all about films, it's all about music, it's all about entertaining and just, you know, shutting ourselves away from all the stress and the tension and all the personal challenges that we're going through. Itna badhiya gana gaya Sinha sahab aapne. Anyone in the house who can tell me which movie is this song from? You have to do this. Anyone.
Upkar.
No, you have to do this. Then I'll pick you up. You can't. And of course, you know that I am, no, sir, soft center for Zeenat Aman. So Shazia, tell us.
पूरब पश्चिम.
Ooh, Mr. Agarwal, jaldi bataiye. Mr. Agarwal, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, it's your turn. Bataiye. Upkar, of course it is Upkar. Purab or Paschim, to matlab, it was well close because that had Manoj Kumar also, it had Prem Chopra also, and it was about this, you know, उसमें उसका एक और बहुत बढ़िया गाना था पूरब और पश्चिम का, कोई जब तुम्हारा हृदय तोड़ दे. Yeah. Ramesh is singing this song because he had sung this song at least 5 times during his college days before Jaya came into his life. या 5 बार तो उन्होंने ये गाना गाया था. या तब तुम मेरे पास आना जया. हाँ, मेरा दिल खुला है, खुला ही रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए. बिल्कुल. रमेश सर, am I right or am I wrong?
बिल्कुल सही. रबर का बना हुआ है, टूट भी नहीं सकता.
You know, I love this gentleman. I have to admit that I've had the good fortune of visiting his home in Dubai. What a view he has. Yeah, matlab, really, you know, it's like he owns Dubai from his living room. I don't know if are you still at the same place?
बाजू वाली building, same view.
Same view, na? But view important hai, sir. Matlab, building. Yeah. So, of course, Agarwal Saab, you get yourself the very first voucher that we're giving away goes to you. The first voucher of 100 dirhams from Lulu Supermarket goes to you. The answer is Upkar. Sinha Saab, Upkar देखी है आपने?
जी मैंने देखी थी when I was growing up or pretty young, and I was growing up I have been influenced by patriotic films and songs and the stories of the live people.
Wow. And what a film, Manoj Kumar. Music, anyone knows who did the music for Upkar? This is like, well, it's just for the filmy kida. It's just to know who.
Thank you, Sharma ji. Thank you, Sinha Saab. Thank you very much.
So anyone who knows कि इसका म्यूजिक किसने दिया था? हाँ सिन्हा साहब बताइए.
कल्याण जी, आनंद जी.
Oh sir, ये देखिए.
Is that correct?
Absolutely right. And you know, what a fabulous music director. In fact, पूरा पश्चिम के भी music director Kalyan ji, Anand ji ही थे. In fact, most of Manoj Kumar films, they were the ones who gave the music. So great. मेरे देश की धरती. तो अब मैं नवीन साहब आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा. देखिए इसमें थोड़ा वो है, त से भी गा सकते हैं, ई से भी गा सकते हैं, और ई अगर हुआ तो ए से भी गा सकते हैं. तो मैं आपको 3 ऑप्शन दे रहा हूं, त, ई या ए.
I will, because IBPC is all about friendship.
Of course.
So I will be singing the song of the anthem of the friendship. And if you can join me or all want to join, most welcome. And I will be very short because I'm not a very good singer. एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों. एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों.
ओहो सर, कंटिन्यू सर. अगर आपको स्टैंजा पता है तो प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
I think we will give chance to everyone.
ओके. तो अब इसमें जो संस्कृति है, मैं उसका चेहरा देख रहा था, शीशे यार ये कौन सा गाना है, मतलब यू नो, I know the modern day version of this song. I know that she's seen that, you know, she's seen that modern day version of the song. और वो मैं कहूंगा नहीं क्योंकि उसमें काफी beep words यूज होते हैं, और संस्कृति नाम ही ऐसा है कि you know she will not want to kind of, but she's seen the newer version of this song which was done by this gentleman called Rajiv Raja. It was done 3 years ago. So you can go and check it out. In fact, let me be honest. I had till I think 6 months ago not heard the original. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ये गाना is actually from a classic film. I thought कि ये राजीव राजा साहब ने बनाया था. तो for everyone in the house, does anyone know कि ये गाना किस फिल्म का है? Which film? Which is the original film from which this movie is? Anyone? Anyone in the house? Come on. You have to do this. I know it's tough. It's very tough. Like I said, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था. I thought कि ये YouTube का गाना है. Anyone? ठीक है. It rhymes with a character, the villain from Sholay. तो विलेन शोले का तो पता ही होगा आप लोगों को.
गब्बर.
गब्बर. अब वो र को आप बदल के एक और गब्बन. My God, Ramesh साहब, this is fantastic. You didn't do this though, but ठीक है. You know, like I said that I'm only looking at Jaya, so you know if she smiled then I was like fine, that's fine. But yes, it is. It's Gabban and it's picturized on Sunil Dutt. So guys, if you didn't know, do go to YouTube and check it out. You know, मैंने, like I said, I just saw it 6 months ago. I did not even know that this song existed. What a song! और इसको इतना beautifully recreate किया है for Sanskriti's generation that you know, now the younger lot also knows this song. But it's a beautiful song sung by Rafi साहब. रफी साहब ने गाना गाया है. तो ये हम अंताक्षरी खेल रहे हैं. उसके पहले एक जो, you know, we were talking and I was trying to get a couple of my friends, a couple of celebrities to join in. But you know, timing के हिसाब से, you know, everyone was a little difficult. So I managed to get a few videos. And I have a friend of mine who would like to come and give you a few tips on how to play Antakshari. Can we have Sivi Saab? Can Baman, are you there? Baman, are you there?
इसलिए कि मैं हमेशा जीतता हूं because I have a beautiful technique. आप बोलो, कोई भी वर्ड बोलो. ल, alright. La 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 la. Okay. No. Okay. Na 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 na. Ba 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 ba. आप कुछ भी मुझे word letter दे दो. I have a song ready for it. All the best.
So that's how you play Antakshari with Sharma ji. So, you know, जब बमन साहब के साथ खेला था तो he was very cute. ल से गाना है तो la 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 la. Ga se gana hai ga 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 ga. So you know that is the way to play Antakshari with Sharma ji. Now before we move on, इन्होंने गाना गाया था दोस्तों. कब मारा है दोस्तों. त is the alphabet and beautifully sung नवीन साहब. पंकज जी, अगर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूं कि त से आप गाना गा ही लें, मतलब
ऐसे त ततैया ततैया ओ टुन 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 टुन. बस इतना.
सर ये हाँ ये नहीं
ततैया ओ
नैनो. Okay, who's coming this song?
नैनो में सपनों में सजना सजना पे दिल आ गया सजना पे दिल आ गया ओ
बड़े अलबेले देखे जवानी के रेले
देखे दिल से हो तू ही छा गया ओ तू ही छा गया. नैनों में सपनों में सजना सजना पे दिल आ गया कि सजना पे दिल आ गया.
ये ब्रिलियंट पंकज, ये आपको स्टेप करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, वो जितेंद्र का. हाँ तो कम ऑन वंस अगेन 1 2 3 4. नैनों में
सपनों में सजना सजना पे दिल आ गया कि सजना पे दिल आ गया.
You are such a sport, really. You guys are lovely. O'Neill has joined. O'Neill is smiling. He reminds me of the great ad man Alec Padamsee. And you know, I don't know if anyone's told you that, but I just saw you and you reminded me of Alec Padamsee. So here we are, O'Neill. Well, since you've joined right now, so welcome. And
thank you so
I'm
much.
going to convince you to sing the next song with year. Why? Or actually, hang on. Before that, you think about it. No, yeah, O'Neill will do it. ये जो गाना था, yeah, which film was it from? Anyone? Okay, Jaya. Yes.
It's why, right? You said why?
Yes.
Himmat
wala, Jaya. And tell me which. You know, there was a new Himmat wala also made, and there was an old Himmat wala also made. You have to tell me which year was the old one released in, and which one was the new one. Oh, actually, that's too tough. Tell me who was in the new Himmat Wala?
Old one 1982 and the
83,
new one is
83.
83. 83 and new one is
Sridevi.
around 2015-16.
नया वाला
2013, exactly 30 years later. And obviously, who was in the new one? Who was in the? No one saw it, but even then, who was?
Ajay Devgan. Ajay Devgan.
क्या बात है sir? Ajay Devgan and Tamanna. Tamanna and Ajay Devgan were in the new one, and of course the old one was, well, Jeetu Saab.
Sridevi and Jitendra.
Sridevi and
Yeah,
Jitendra.
1983. The music was by Bappi Lahiri Saab. Yeah, what an absolute fantastic soundtrack, and what a film. Game changer for Bollywood, I think. You know, it just brought in the whole entertainment. You know, the style of choreography from the South. I thought that South was making so many fantastic films, and they kind of just kept barging in. Or uske baad to Tofa, and you know, so many other movies happened, and this was just fan. This was the start of it all, Himmat Wala. But Pankaj ji, मतलब ये recorded हो रहा है ये show. तो अब ये जो है आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड को भी और जो और हैं उन सबको ये जाएगा, ठीक है? ये नैनो में सपना आप ये जी, और मैं जीतू जी को भी भेजूंगा, ये पक्का है. I promise you, when I meet Jeetu ji, I will take a clip of this and I will share it with him, and I will say that you know, we love you, and you know, you've been such an icon in
We are a fantastic fan of Jeetu ji.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. What a gentleman he is, and he's a gentleman, true gentleman, and of course what films. So O'Neill, we're on. Hang on, Suresh ji has gone on video mute, but I can see Mrs. Kumar there, and you're looking ravishing, Mrs. Kumar. Are you still there, or Suresh ji aaye?
Sharma ji, thank you very much. In fact, this is my first meeting with IBPG. I've just joined IBPC, and it's quite exciting to see so much of energy and the show. So thank you so much. Incidentally, I've logged in from Bangalore. I've got stranded here waiting for the flights to open to come back to Dubai, and it's great to connect with you on a Friday. So I believe sticking to the theme, it's why, correct?
Yes.
Okay. यादों की बारात निकले यादों के द्वारे संगमा है.
Please sing along if you know this song. What a beautiful song. सहनाए बीते दिनों को पुकारे
संगमा रे. Well, that's my take.
Whoa, fantastic. What a song. You know, what songs we are having today, yeah? You know, we started off with Ehsaan Hoga. Usse pehle we had Mere Desh Ki Dharti. We've had Yadon Ki Baarat. We've had Naino Mein Sapna. Beautiful, beautiful songs. So again, if you have to win a prize, then here's my question to you. Yadon Ki Baarat mein ek superstar hai. 1990s, 2000. Abhi, I know. Zeenat Aman, this is not fair, yeah. Matlab tumne already jawab de diya. No. That is what she knows. Okay, Shazia, come on. Tell us. Huh?
Amir Khan.
Amir Khan, my God. You're reading my mind now. Yeah, this is fantastic. Yes, that's what I was asking. My question was, which is the superstar who made his debut in Yadon Ki Baarat, and he's actually the youngest in Yadon Ki. In fact, jab ye gana chal raha hota, the first time this song is played, he's one of the boys. And of course, then he grows up to, I think, become Dharmendra. So, but tell me, along with Dharmendra, who were the two other brothers? Anyone? Come on, who were the two other brothers?
Vijay Arora, and there was Tariq, and Amir Khan grows up to be the youngest of them.
Yes, whoa. Suresh ji.
Yadon Ki Baarat is one of my favorite films, so I know a bit of stuff about it.
Mrs. Kumar, my God, I am stunned and amazed, and I'm awestruck looking at you. So thank you so much for coming on the video. Yes, what a film it is. And you've got it bang on. It is Vijay Arora and Tariq. You know, Tariq starred in a couple of films because it was a family nepotism.
Yeah, he's Nasir Hussain, I think his son or something like that.
Yes. And Vijay Arora, of course, was there. And what a film! And Dharam Paji, I think one of the finest roles that he had. He actually played one of the first angry young men, if I was to say, because that's what he was doing. He didn't have a song. He wasn't smiling.
Not much of a romantic interest as well. Nothing in that.
Yeah, he didn't have a leading lady opposite him. You know, Vijay Arora, of course, had Zeenat Aman. you know, and Tariq had Neetu Singh.
Neetu Singh.
Yeah, of course. So you know that was really the construct of यादों की बात. क्या बात है, हमने एक इतनी बढ़िया पिक्चर के बारे में अभी डिस्कशन किया. So Mrs. Kumar, how do I address you? Because I've got the
Setu.
name.
I'm Setu.
Setu. Okay, so Setu gets the Lulu voucher, the Lulu supermarket voucher, and of course even Zeenat Aman gets the voucher. As in, sorry, Shazia, you get it. Remember, if I say Zeenat Aman, it's Shazia. You were fantastic in Yadon Ki Barat, by the way, Zeenat. Yeah, you were excellent, holding the guitar and singing Chura Liya Hai Tumne Jo Dil Ko. So,
in fact, Sharma ji, she's a great singer also. Shazia or Zeenat Aman is a very good singer.
तो अब तो उन्हीं पे रुकेगा फिर और क्या. संग हमारे र Shazia is your alphabet. Yes.
रात के हम सफर थक के घर को चले, झूमती आ रही है सुबह प्यार की, देख के सामने जुल्फ की रोशनी, फिर वही जा रही है सदा प्यार की.
बहुत अच्छी.
That was lovely.
I'm speechless. I mean, ये रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. That was fantastic, Shazia. That was really fantastic. Have you trained musically?
Yes,
yeah?
I have learned semi-classical music from Bhatkhande University, Lucknow.
Oh wow! And who's your favorite singer?
The first and original singer was Begum Akhtar.
Okay. And uske baad mein, while growing up, because Begum Akhtar ji would have been much before your time.
Then all-time favorite Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle.
क्या बात है. तो फिर उनमें से किसी का भी, क्योंकि जो अभी आपने गाया वो तो रफी साहब का गाना था, तो इसलिए अब एक किशोर दा या फिर आशा जी का एक गाना हो जाए.
तू है वही दिल जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहां मैं हूँ वहां, अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा, हो मिल जाए इस तरह.
Come on, everyone. Now next time on my stop. So wait, now whenever you do it again, I want everyone, and guys, someone take a photograph. This is a lovely screenshot moment. So everyone has to do the clapping. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4.
हो मिल जाए इस तरह तो लहरे जिस तरह, हो मिल जाए इस तरह लहरे जिस तरह, फिर हो ना जुदा, हाँ ये वादा रहा, हाँ ये वादा रहा.
Oh, fantastic. Time to give away one more Wada Raha Her. I am going to go to now. I'm choosing Qasim Saab. Aapko her se gana hai, but I will come back to you. The prize, if you need to win a voucher now, is कि ये जो film थी, ये वादा रहा. It starred Rishi Kapoor. There were 2 leading ladies in the film. Yeah, obviously it was no. I can't. Zeenat Aman, I can't go to you. So who were the 2 leading ladies? Abbas Ali Saab, मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ कि आप इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं, because he would have been a ladies man, out and out. Looking at him, he's a ladies man. Yeah. So, but anyway, looking for who were the 2 leading ladies opposite Kapoor in Ye Wada Raha. Anyone? You have to do this. I'm looking. Abhi tak to I've not been able to find. Okay, Qasim Saab, bataiye.
You asked me from her?
No. I'm asking you who were the leading ladies of Ye Wada Raha opposite Rishi Kapoor.
Oh, pass, please.
Okay, anyone. My God, Shazia, then you. Okay, Jaya, let's go for it.
Poonam Dillon was one.
Yes.
And
I think it was Tina Munim.
Maybe
Oh,
Tina.
Who knows the Ambanis here? There is only one person. Abbas Ali Saab, देखिए ये अब आपको पता चल गया है बस. You know,
Tina Munim was actually, she was the main heroine, but I think in the beginning they had Poonam Dillon, then she disappears and Tina Munim comes in to the movie.
क्या बात है सर, यही है बदलते बदलते चेहरे. But what a film it was, and you know, directed by it was Rose Films was the production house, and of course Rishi Kapoor, and the music director was Arnie Barman. Superb. Now I'm still going to come to you on her, but usse pehle I'm going to request Sibi. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to have a visual round. I'm going to show you a photograph. Okay, based on the photograph I will ask a question, and on that question ke baad it's a buzzer round. So if you know the answer, this is what you need to do. Sibi, can we see the first picture please? अरे ये तो हमने कर लिया, ये तो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है जर, ये तो हिम्मत वाला है, ये तो नहीं, ये तो हो गया सर, पंकज जी तो बन गए. ओके, दिस वन, कम ऑन. Okay, wait, my question will come to you. My question is, which is the song that both the pairs are singing? Which is, Sunita ji, I have seen you, and you have to tell me, Sunita ji, which is the song that we are talking about?
ऊंची है बिल्डिंग, लिफ्ट तेरी बंद है, तन तनातन तन तन तारा चलती क्या 9 से 12. No? Then I don't know.
Okay, but you were close because the movie is not Judwa. Both these songs, Uchi Hai Building and Tan Tanatan, are from Judwa, which was the original star was of course Salman Khan. Varun is right. The answer is right because he's in both these films.
Yes.
But the song is something else. Come on, anyone else? So Sunita ji, that was a really good guess. That was really Sanskriti. If you don't answer this, I will be very upset because the song is the same. I'm sure you would have seen the new one. It was released only last year on OTT. I think Amazon Prime showed the one which has Varun Dhawan.
Coolie number 1. Yeah, it's Coolie number 1.
Who's there? I can't see. Who's answered?
Yeah, it's Coolie number 1. Yeah.
Oh, Abbas ji, yes, Coolie
Yes,
number 1 is the film. And which is the song, if you can remember? That
तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो क्या करूं? No.
That is तुझे मिर्ची लगी.
Is it
It's from
Bhabhi?
Hero Number 1. Huh?
Right.
Is it Bhabhi?
Bhabhi? Oh, the movie? No. The movie is not.
It's only number 1.
I guess there's
Coolie
a
number
song
1, yeah.
named Bhabhi, right?
O'Neill. No, the movie is Coolie number 1, but the song is now. Which is the number 1 song from Coolie number 1? O'Neill साहब, बताइए.
सोना कितना सोना है?
No. That is तू मेरा hero number. That's from Hero Number 1. That's from Hero Number 1. This is from Coolie number 1, and the song is anyone. It's on. Anyone. It's Husn hai Suhana के दीवाने मुझे सीने से and then the step. Who knows this step? Okay, Sanskriti, come on.
What step?
The Husn hai Suhana.
हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना, रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना, आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा ना 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 गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया, गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया.
Yes, you win that voucher that I was talking about. So, well, the voucher goes to you. This is fantastic. Lulu Supermarket. As they enter, I'm sure everyone's going to turn around to look at you, Sanskriti, but this was fantastic. It is Husn Hai Suhana. This was a tough one. Original was, of course, Govinda and Karishma Kapoor in Coolie number 1. This was, I think, released in 1995. Yeah, 95. 1995. And then, of course, you have Coolie number 1 that was released in 2020. अच्छा ये चलिए, ये interesting question है. This is for all film geeks, and I'm really excited. I haven't thought of it, but क्योंकि मैं दिमाग में वो, I keep kind of painting pictures. So Husn Hai Suhana, the new one, has Varun Dhawan because of course both the movies were directed by David Dhawan. So Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan's father is Saif Ali Khan. The original one had Karishma Kapoor. Give me one movie in which Saif Ali Khan and Karishma Kapoor have acted together. Come on, this is the one. I am Mahindra Asher ji aa gaye hain. Namaskar, and I can see the beautiful Mrs. Asher on the side. Anyone, it's a tough one, but Saurabh Bhatia ji, आप मतलब आपने अपना कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया. विनीता जी आपने भी ऑन नहीं किया. O'Neill, I know you're thinking hard. मनी साहब, मैं आपके पास आने वाला हूँ. अगला इनके बाद जो गाना है वो आप ही का होने वाला है, ठीक है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप ये नहीं कर सकते सर. गाना तो पड़ेगा सर, मतलब सुर ना सजे क्या. नहीं नहीं, सॉरी, इनफैक्ट आपके लिए गाना, गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए. That's the fun. So anyone who can tell me which is the movie, any movie where Saif Ali Khan and Karishma Kapoor.
हम साथ साथ हैं.
Sanskriti, I am telling you, if I was single right now, I would have proposed to you in front of all these 55 people out here. Yeah, absolutely right. And 1 minute, let me check if my wife is घर पे नहीं है. By the way, just to tell you कि I'm in Goa. So मैं क्या करता हूँ कि शाम को बीवी को बीच पे भेज देता हूँ. आप बीच पे जाओ और मैं यहाँ तेरे मेरे बीच. तो तेरे मेरे
और आप कोने में.
मैं तो सर कोने में ही हूँ ना सर. But yes, that is the right answer. हम साथ साथ हैं. You know, I know that I announced a voucher for you, but I have to give you another voucher because this is something which, you know, even I thought of right now. There is another movie, just from a trivia perspective, where they've come together in the same movie, is a movie called Ye Dil Lagi, where she had a special appearance. She had a special appearance. She comes right at the end of the movie. But anyway, this is just so that next time water cooler conversation, you can show off. Arey yaar, 2 movies in which Karishma and Saif Ali have starred with each other. So great. Where are we going? Who did I pin next? I was saying her से उनको गाना पड़ेगा. उनका कैमरा तो ऑफ हो गया है. कहाँ गए?
कासिम.
हाँ, कासिम सर कहाँ गए? her से आपको गाना है सर? her से आपको गाना है. Kasim Sahab has disappeared. So I am going to be randomly picking and I'm going to Sunita ji. Sunita ji?
जी सर.
आपको अब गाना पड़ेगा her से. her is the alphabet.
होले होले साजना धीरे धीरे बालिमा हो जरा होले होले चलो मोरे साजना हम भी पीछे हैं तुम्हारे जरा होले होले चलो मोरे साजना कैसी ही रुत है सुहानी कैसे जवान नजारे जरा होले होले चलो मोरे साजना हम भी पीछे हैं तुम्हारे.
क्या बात है सुनीता जी. Come on, a big round of applause to her. This is fantastic. Sunita ji, you have to tell us, I don't know if there is, but if there is a memory attached to this song, when did you hear this song first? Is there a certain memory attached not only to this song but could be any song? You know, we all have memories attached to this song. जैसे यादों की बारात की discussion हो रहा था. I remembered how as a small boy I was shown this movie on a projector. You know, the projector works, वो reel पे दिखाते थे. So that's my memory, and really it took me back so many years. So do you have any memory with any song, a special song?
With a special song?
कोई भी.
What do I say? I'm very fond of Hindi music. I am big fan of Bollywood movies and things. So this is a very difficult question for me. That which song I have memory with, because I love all the songs. But now,
who was your favorite actor? चलिए ये तो बता दीजिए. Who was your favorite actor while growing up?
When I was growing up, Amir Khan.
ओहो, आमिर खान. मतलब ये देखिए सुनीता जी क्या
From the time Papa कहते हैं, yes, that song from that movie. Yes.
And do you still have a big crush on him? कि वो crush हो गया अब खत्म? Gone. And who's your current favorite right now?
Naveen Sharma.
ओहो, क्या बात है सर. मतलब यहाँ तो देखिए, और नवीन जी को देखिए ब्लश करते हुए. So I'll tell you, and Sunita ji, एक गाना हो जाए, आप लोग मतलब you know you're on different squares. Oh, now you've come next to each other also.
Yes.
Wow, this is fantastic. So you both have to sing a duet. Come on, come on.
Duet.
This is going to be a first, huh? Both of you have to sing together.
Which one you want to sing, Mr. Raveen? We are sitting in different places.
Any song. I will follow you.
Oh.
Okay, I will sing a song which I feel, and I don't know. एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाएंगे, फूल ही फूल राहों में खिल जाएंगे, मैंने सोचा न था एक दिन जिंदगी इतनी होगी हंसी, झूमेगा आसमां, गाएगी ये जमीन, मैंने सोचा न था, मैंने सोचा न था. This is what I can dedicate to Mr. Naveen.
नवीन जी, आप वो लाइन तो रिपीट कर ही सकते हैं. मैंने सोचा न था.
He can sing what he feels like. Why my song?
No, then you have to sing a song for her. Come on.
I don't remember. Okay. I will sing. तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं.
तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं.
Oh, matlab really big round of applause, everyone. Come on, this is a moment. This is a moment that will be cherished for years and years and years to come. It will always be close to my heart. What a beautiful moment. You know, Tere Bina, and of course, आपने पहले गाना गाया. Brilliant, brilliant. Usually मैं जो गाना गाता हूँ अपनी मिसेस के लिए वो तो है ये क्या हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ.
Actually, what we sang is for the public. Maybe in private we also sing the same.
ये पब्लिक वाली बात प्राइवेट तक पहुंच जाएगी रूमी के पास.
Oh my God, who's नहीं सर, वो बीच पे गई है सर. तेरे मेरे बीच में तो वो बीच में भगा दिया मैंने अपनी बीवी को.
Sharma ji, yeah, since you're talking about memories,
Yes.
I'd like to share something that happened with O.P. Nayyar Saab. I was at the sets of Saregama finals with with Gajendra Singh, is a very close friend of mine. So मैंने पूछा था Nayyar Saab आप कौन सा गाना सुनना चाहेंगे? So I'd like to just sing one line which he loved. I mean, he's got innumerable great compositions, but the one he asked me to sing for him, that's a memory. आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया, आँखों ही आँखों में. He loved that song, and that is a great memory that I wanted to share.
Please continue singing this song, please. What a beautiful...
So I just wanted to share this. Okay, when you talked about memories, and Nayyar Saab, O.P. Nayyar, the master, the maestro himself, asking me to sing the singers on the sets of Saregama. That was amazing.
What a beautiful thought. And मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ जब मैं अंताक्षरी करता हूँ कि ये गानों की अंताक्षरी नहीं है, ये भावनाओं और बातों की अंताक्षरी है. जहां से जैसे आप कुछ कहें, वहां से मैं कुछ कहूं, फिर उसके बाद में someone else has something to share. जैसे अभी आपने गजेंद्र सिंह का नाम लिया, तो just to give tell you that I was in the very first Antakshari that was directed by him, and I had won that. So that's the that's the thing, and those are the memories of with Anu Kapoor Saab was used to be the host at that point of time with Durga Jasraj. But what a voice you have, Abbas Saab. You have to do another song for us. You have to do another song. कासिम साहब, आप डिसअपियर हो गए थे, बट आपके ऊपर गाना आ रहा है. मतलब वो ह से we are constant, we are locked on you. हाँ जी, बताइए. Another song, Abbas.
Kishore Da ka, sir, that's my favorite. I mean, Kishore Da is my favorite, so I think everyone will love this song because it's a classic. Ji. ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा कहा दिल ने नाना not missing the words कि दिल ने कहा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा. Thank you, sir.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. And look at सुमन साहब, वो पेड़ और वादियों में पहुंच गए हैं बिल्कुल. मतलब आपने गाना शुरू किया और ये रातें तो नहीं है, लेकिन वो नदी का किनारा एंड ऑल तो मुझे दिखाई दे रहा था. क्या बात है, fantastic. But this was really nice, and I can see that Mrs. Sinha has also joined. So when I see two people in the same frame, then I have to request one to either sing or say something, or you have to kind of please one song for Mr. Sinha.
तुम्हारा माइक बंद हो गया. नहीं खुला है.
नहीं माइक ऑन है जी. मिसेस
वो मैं तुरंत ऑन कर दिया. नाम आपने लिया कि मैंने माइक ऑन किया.
I will sing my favorite song. This I have been singing since college days.
Okay.
बेताब दिल की तमन्ना यही है, तुम्हें चाहेंगे, तुम्हें पूजेंगे, तुम्हें अपना खुदा बनाएंगे. बेताब दिल की तमन्ना यही है.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, we're going to move on. And जैसे मैंने Baman was very sweet to give this video especially for you, for IBPC. He said let me give this video. Oh, hang on, Shazia ji, please say something.
I want to continue what Abbas Bhai was singing. In one of the competitions, I made a parody of Lakdi Ki Kaathi.
Wow, please do it.
On the same song what Abbas Bhai sang.
Please.
Yeah, and by the way, Sharma ji, just wanted to share that Shazia ji is one of the finalists of the big competition we had in Dubai. We called it the Voice of Dubai, and she's one of the finalists. I was one of the judges, and she's a fantastic singer. Wow, Shazia, good to see you after a long time.
Same here, Abbas Bhai. Nice seeing you.
In fact, Shazia, in college days, they used to call this Geet Antar. The lyrics of Geet Ka Antar, right?
Xavier's mein.
Huh?
Xavier's mein.
My God, I think there is something happening now. We पता चला कि भैया मतलब हम स्टेज पे साथ गाना गाया करते थे because
Gaurav, I was in the first list of participants in Antakshari with Anu Kapoor and Durga Jasraj, Divana team.
Oh my God, I was Mastana. Kya baat hai. And probably Shan was there and all of us were there. Oh my God, and we were in college together. I mean, no, this was not planned. I did not intend to call her Zeenat Aman, but look at this is a small world, like I say. Again, looking at Ramesh and Jaya out here, it's really a small world. And और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि strangers are friends you still haven't met. You start off by not knowing anyone, and today I leave by making new friends with each and every one of you. And these are the wonderful moments. Now I come to Dubai, I am 50 people richer. That's the whole thing. I can just stand there and I know so many beautiful people. But anyway, not time to get emotional. Come, Shazia, please do that song of ये रातें ये मौसम on Lakdi.
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा.
क्या बात है Shazia, very good.
And again, it's a small world. Same.
Sharma ji, Sharma ji.
हाँ जी बताइए.
So when Shazia mentioned Malhar,
हाँ जी.
In fact, I had the privilege of singing one of the English songs there during the daytime. They had the entire 2 to 3 days of event,
Of course.
and it was wonderful. That was in 1995, way back. So we had a little small stage performance back then. So thank you so much for bringing wonderful memories back.
No, I'm going to get you to
world.
sing. I'm going to get you to sing an English song now. But I have to tell that Shazia, again, small world. One is Antakshari, the other is Malhar. You've spoken about Malhar. I sang Lakdi Ki Kathi, but on a different tune, and I will sing it for you right now. It is guess the song. Lakdi ki kathi, kathi pe ghoda, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, जो मारा हथौड़ा, जो मारा हथौड़ा,
घोड़ा पहुंचा
चौक में था नाई, घोड़े जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाई, तक Wow, this is, I am literally gone back 20 years, and this is the magic of these sessions. यहाँ पे कुछ plan नहीं होता. हम we were asking कि यार ये क्या planning करें, क्या करेंगे? I said, sir, जब माहौल है बनेगा, and we will continue, and this is what's happening. But you have to sing, O'Neill. You got to sing an English song for us. Come on, the song that you sang on college stage. We're going to take a break. I want people to be singing some songs that they used to sing or hum during their younger years. Come on, O'Neill, let's have a song.
You are on mute, O'Neill sir.
Yeah. So that was Achy Breaky Heart. That was a when we actually had a parody for that song, but I have sort of missed out on the lyrics. But if you give me a little bit more time, I'll sing another song a little while later with a little instrument as well.
So Achy Breaky Heart by Billy Ray Cyrus. What a lovely country singer he is. Mrs. Setu, I really want you to sing a song. I've just been constantly staring at you. Now officially I want to stare at you, because when you're singing, then I will only be looking at you.
I'm not really a singer. The person you should catch is my husband, who sings very well. But I will just, you were saying what songs during college days. So this was sort of an anthem. हम लोग समर कैंप में जाते थे तो फिर गाते थे ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए, ये शाम मस्तानी. So another Kishore fan that I am. This is one of my favorite songs.
Yes. Wonderful. Come on, keep those applause going. Keep that applause going. I think that's beautiful.
Sharmaji, if I can just add the yodeling part to it, because that's my favorite too.
Yes, please.
Come on.
Yes. Do it.
मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. अच्छा, अब आगे का I would like सुरेश जी to join us.
Come on,
मैं सुरेश जी को बुलाना चाह रहा था, because as Setu ji rightly said, he is a fantastic singer. Suresh ji, can we have you please join us on this song, the three of us?
Yes, come on, please, Suresh.
Please, Suresh ji, please.
You're muted.
You're muted, sir.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा. Come on, continue. Someone else pick it up.
तेरी ओर लिए जाए. क्या बात है?
Who's doing the yodeling?
I'm doing it.
That was great, Abbas. Lovely.
Thank you. But Sureshji, can we have another song of your whatever
Yes,
is favorite
yes.
to you? You're a great
Sureshji.
singer.
Please, Sureshji, let's have a song now. We're just going to open the session now. Sureshji, I want Sureshji to sing. I want Agarwal Saab to sing. Both the Agarwal Saabs to sing. They haven't sung as yet. Kasim is still waiting for his turn. वो हफ्ते मतलब अभी मिलता है. I want Suman Saab to sing. So yes, everyone, and of course a special duet right at the end. Ramesh and Jaya will do a duet for us. So come on, Sureshji, one song, please.
Let me sing a very old song.
Oh.
मेरी ज़ोहरा जबीन तुझे मालूम नहीं तो अभी तक है हसीन और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान है मेरी ज़ोहरा जबीन तुझे मालूम नहीं तो अभी तक है हसीन और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान ये शौकियाए बांकपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं ये शौकियाए बांकपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं दिलों की धड़कनों का फन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं हो सनम मैं तेरा आशिक पे जाविदा हो सनम मैं तेरा आशिक पे जाविदा है मेरी ज़ोहरा जबीन तुझे मालूम नहीं तो अभी तक है हसीन और
मैं जवान
तुझ पे कुर्बान
मेरी जान
Wow.
Whoa, come on, everyone, bringing the house down.
Fantastic.
Super.
And what a voice, Sureshji. Are you trained? Because this is, I mean, really, it reminded me of, the original song and the soft nuances that you brought into the song. Beautiful, beautiful.
I train as I adjust my shower, so.
Can I sing one song, please?
Of course. So my only request, Sureshji, is if it's the shower that's trained you, please keep having a bath. Yeah, please. 24/7. I want you to be in the shower. Yeah, don't stop being in the shower. Yes. Who else is singing? Who else?
Can I sing song?
Mr. Agarwal.
Of course, Agarwal Saab. I was coming to you anyway. Yes.
So I'll sing the song on music.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Great.
वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है वो कल भी पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है वो कल भी पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी झुकी झुकी निगाह में कहीं मेरा ख्याल था
दबी दबी हंसी में एक हसीन सा गुलाल था, मैं सोचता था मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो, मैं सोचता था मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो, न जाने क्यों लगा मुझे कि मुस्कुरा रही है वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी। मेरा ख्याल है अभी झुकी हुई निगाह में, खिली हुई हंसी भी है दबी हुई सी चाह में, मैं जानता हूँ मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो, मैं जानता हूँ मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो, यही ख्याल है मुझे के साथ आ रही है वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, ये शाम भी अजीब है, वो कल भी पास पास थी, वो आज भी करीब है, वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी।
Oh, beautiful.
Agarwal ji, great voice.
Mahendra ji, I want you to be singing the next song. Mahendra Ashar Saab in the house. But before that, again, there is a voucher to be given away. I want to ask, which is this movie? It's one of my all-time favorite movies. Anyone, you have to do this. नहीं, ये करना पड़ेगा. Anyone knows ये वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी. Which
Khamoshi.
Hang on. No. I heard.
Khamoshi.
I saw. No, you have to do this. I saw Mrs. Kumar. Mrs. Kumar, what's the movie?
It's Khamoshi.
Khamoshi.
With Waida Rahman, Rajesh Khanna, and Dharmendra in a guest appearance.
Oh, Dharmendra in a guest appearance. Really, I think there is something going on there between Dharmendra and Mrs. Kumar, because there was Yadon Ki Barat, and then there is Khamoshi, and there is a special appearance, and there's Kishore Kumar, and all of
Rajesh
that happening. Rajesh Khanna, of course, and she sang Ye Sham Mastani. So ये देखिए ये सब हमने already अंताक्षरी यहाँ पे कर दी. बातों की अंताक्षरी देखिए, you get to know about a person. Immediately आप पता चल गया कि किशोर कुमार है, राजेश खन्ना है. These are the movies. But again, what a beautiful song and what a beautiful movie. Shabir Saab, welcome. I'm seeing you for the first time this evening. आप म्यूट पे हैं सर. आपको मैं
म्यूट पे.
हाँ जी, नमस्कार.
अच्छा, नमस्कार भाई, क्या हाल है सर जी?
सर बिल्कुल ठीक है सर.
I was sleeping. I just got up and on my.
Good morning. Yes, of course. So now I'm going to request Mr. Asher to please sing a song. Mahendra ji, your turn. And while you sing, मैं आपको बता दूं कि out of all the people, I want to give a special prize to Suneja Suman ji. उनकी वजह से मैंने पूरा दुबई देख लिया. Because of him, I have seen entire Dubai right now. Yeah, I mean, मेरी सैर भी हो गई है, मुझे आने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Thank you.
You have seen the best part of Dubai.
Absolutely.
And Sharma ji, he is a laughter guru and yoga exponent beyond redeem. सबको हंसाते रहते हैं ये और हेल्थ।
कुछ तो आपको इसके बाद ये इस गाने के बाद कुछ हमें आपको हमें कुछ सुनाना पड़ेगा। Come, let's have the song. Let's have the song. Ashish ji, if you're there, can we have a song?
Pass by Naveen. They know I'm a very good listener.
नहीं Mahendra bhai, no, you're a good singer. You're a good singer too.
Actually, my prompter is sitting next to me. She knows more songs than I do. So she said, okay, suggested one song. Gata rahe mera dil.
Wow.
कहीं पीते ना है रखे कहीं पीते ना है राते कहीं पीते ना है मेरा दिल।
Wow. Big round of applause. Mrs. Asher, I couldn't see you. आप थोड़ा side में हैं. If we can have a look at the lovely backing vocals that were coming. नमस्कार, कैसी हैं आप? ये अच्छा हुआ कि आपने गा लिया, नहीं तो आपने बचा लिया बिल्कुल। पतिदेव को बचा लिया। Again, what a lovely combination, Kishore and Lata ji. गाता रहे मेरा दिल। Qasim साहब, don't think I've forgotten you. Back to you. So we're in the last few songs now. I want Mr. Rajesh Agarwal Saab to sing. Shabir Saab, since you're awake, would request you to sing a song for us. Qasim Saab, a song from you. And of course, like I said, Jaya and Ramesh, you have to do a duet together. So yeah, absolutely. So let's come on. Let's have Qasim bhai. Can we have a song?
Yes, please.
Disappeared again? There you are.
हम तो तेरे आशिक हैं सदियों पुराने, चाहे तू माने चाहे ना माने, हम तो चले आए सनम तुझको मनाने, चाहे तू माने चाहे ना माने।
क्या बात है। In fact, for any 90s kid, I will say कि ये गाने का अलग ही मतलब है, because it was in that अंताक्षरी that is played in the movie मैंने प्यार किया। अगर किसी को याद है, this is one of the songs that's played in the movie, and I had the good fortune of playing. I had a session with Bhagyashree, and we did the entire Antakshari together. And it was beautiful. So okay, now we are moving on to. I'm seeing the squares have changed a little bit. Shabir Saab, are you ready with the song? Shabir Saab has frozen. His screen has frozen. Rajesh ji, come on, let's have a song from you, please.
Okay.
I just have
सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर,
शोर नहीं बाबा, शोर।
चियर झूम रे ऐसे जैसे वनमा नाचे मोर, सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर, जियर झूम रे ऐसे जैसे वनमा नाचे मोर, मौजवा गले क्या जाना कहाँ है ओगे तुके वो के भैया, मर्जी है तुम्हारी ले जाए किसे और, जर झूम रे ऐसे जैसे वनमा नाचे मोर।
क्या बात है, come on, a big round of applause.
सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर, Sharma ji, Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram, क्या बात है. I loved the way he sang this song from the heart. In fact, I hope that the original was sung like this. He added that little Punjabi flavor to it. Yeah. Hoy jiera re jhoom. The original song is very Sawan ka mahina pavan kare so. And Agarwal Saab singing Sawan ka mahina pavan kare so. Hey, GRR, I am loving it. I promise, जब भी मैं गाना गाऊंगा, Mukesh Bhai and Lata Di are out. It is only your version that I'm going to sing again and again. Beautiful. I want to give you a voucher. So if there is, I don't know, I've not counted how many vouchers, but I would love to give you a voucher for this beautiful rendition of Sawan cover, or enlivening this song. You've made it so cool. You know, it's a little bit of a boring song. Yeah, thank you so much. This is beautiful. So where are we now? We have only you have to sing a song. Yes, yes.
Sharma ji, if I have a minute, I'll give you one song.
Of course we have.
Okay, but I would like everybody to sing this.
Yes. Wow, you're on the piano. My God.
Eko pyar ka nagma hai, mor jo ki kahani hai, zindagi chudi nahi, teri meri kahani hai, eko pyar ka nagma hai. That's it.
Very good.
Beautiful. Why don't you continue? It's got a beautiful stanza, if you remember.
La 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 la. कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ होकर पाना है, तेरी मतलब जाना है, तो कल के जीवन में एक चुना है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का Every Antakshari has to have a parallel.
Yes, Anil Sahab, it is straight from the heart.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Straight from the heart, beautiful song. Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji gave the music, and it's a beautiful film also. Suman साहब, कुछ आप हमें सुनाइए. सब कह रहे हैं कि आप जब तो कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं तो लोग हंसेंगे नहीं, मतलब मुझसे
हंसाते हैं सबको.
बिल्कुल. एक्चुअली मेरी सिंगिंग स्किल्स ऐसी हैं कि लोग वाकई हंसेंगे, तो मैं हंसाना भी चाहता हूँ.
ठीक है, तो आप गा भी लीजिए और हंसा भी दीजिए.
तो ऐसा करिए, मैं गाना शुरू करूंगा, पूरी तरह याद नहीं है, तो आप मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा गा देना.
जी बिल्कुल.
वो जो कवाली है अमिताभ जी की और रेखा जी की, सलाम इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो, हमसे बात करने की जरा सी भूल कर लो, मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए, मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए, इसके आगे की दास्तां मुझसे तू सुन, सुन के तेरी नजर डबडबा जाएगी, बात दिल की जो अब तक तेरे दिल में है, मेरा दावा है होठों तक आ जाएगी, मसीहा मोहब्बत के मारों का है, मसीहा मोहब्बत के मारों का है, हम तेरे दौर पे चले आए हैं, अब दुआ दे या दे दे हमें तू जहर, हम तेरे दर पे चले आए हैं. बट उससे बेटर है सब लाफ्टर कर ले.
Look at you.
इसमें दवा भी आ गई, दारू भी आ गई, सब कुछ आ गया लाफ्टर में. And that makes your immune system very strong. Your best defense against any kind of virus is your laughter. Power of laughter increases your power of lungs.
क्या बात है. Lovely, lovely. On this positive note, on this very positive note, I am going to now request, like I said, the last song of this evening, at least planned last song, उसके बाद में, which is Jaya and Ramesh, you have to do a song. बट मैं वैसे भी हंस रहा था। इन्होंने बहुत, मैं बता दूं सुमन साहब का, इन्होंने इतना अच्छा ट्विस्ट दिया, क्योंकि वो गाना क्या है वो, नीयत डगमगा जाएगी, उनको डगमगा के बदले दबा जाएगी, उन्होंने दबा दिया। मतलब मैं तो हंस हंस के पागल हो रहा था। Beautiful. I love the twist again, just like how Agarwal did his own version. Agarwal Saab did his own version of, the song from Sawan Ka Mahina.
And precisely, it was meant to be make the people laugh. So it served the purpose.
Thank you so much for spreading so much of joy and laughter, and that's what this evening is all about. So come on, let's have the song.
आपने तो आज मेरा दिल छू लिया, इसके लिए मैं उसके ऊपर एक गाना देता हूँ। 2 ही लाइन है मगर दिल छूने जैसा है। छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम, लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम, लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा।
मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम, लगे जग सारा, मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा।
क्या बात है चतुर्वेदी जी, क्या बात है, superb, superb. Jaya, you haven't sung, come on.
So 30 years ago, when we got engaged, I was in Mumbai and Ramesh was in Dubai. So my favorite song used to be, my heart is beating, keeps on repeating, I'm waiting for you. My love encloses a pot of roses, and when shall be then our next meeting? 'Cause love, you know, that time is fleeting, time is fleeting, time is fleeting. At that time, little did I realize that 30 years on, I'll still be singing this every day because he's a workaholic. He's stuck in the office.
That's a good one.
My heart is beating. The time
सगाई की बात हुई है, सगाई की बात हुई है, तो मैं भी ये कुछ थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूंगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बताइए।
सगाई का दौर ये है कि मेरी एंगेजमेंट हुई, मेरा नाम साहित्य है। I am from Mathura city. It is a very holy city, and that family and my fiancée, who is my wife as of now.
अच्छा, as of now, as of now. पता, कल का नहीं पता, as of now.
तो ये जो है, तो बैलेंस शीट की बात करनी पड़ेगी। हम लोग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, काफी बड़ा फोरम है सीएस का यहाँ पे, तो और बिजनेस ऑल्सो। तो बेसिकली ये बॉम्बे में थी और मैं मथुरा में था, और हम लोगों की अरेंज सगाई हुई। मैरिज तो फिर बाद में अरेंज ही हुई ऑफ कोर्स। तो मैंने बड़ा अपना प्यारा ऐसा एक गीत ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करके भेजा, जो इनके एक अक्षर उसका इनको समझ में नहीं आया, तो मैं वो सॉन्ग थोड़ा सा, और आज ये अक्षरशः अच्छी तरह से उसे समझ सकते हैं। तो एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है। So I will like to take this forum today because my daughter is also here, my wife is also here. So I will like to sing the 2 stanzas of that song. किशोर दा का है। जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें मजबूर करें जीने के लिए, सागर भी तरसता है तेरे इस रूप का रस पीने के लिए, जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें तस्वीर बनाए क्या कोई लिखे तुझ पर रंगों छंदों में समाएगी, चेहरे की तेरी सुंदरता।
तो देख के गाइए, देख के गाइए।
आंचल का तेरे एक तार बहुत के पीछा, जिगर सीने के लिए, सीने के लिए जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें। पर मजबूरी ये रही सर कि वो उस वक्त कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया। जब 6 साल के बाद हमारी शादी हुई तो मैंने पूछा, भाई कुछ समझ में आता था? मैं आपको ऐसे रिकॉर्ड भेजता रहता था। बोली कुछ तो समझ में आता था, बट ये जो सॉन्ग है ये बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आया। एंड नाउ शी इज वेल वर्स्ड, सो आई एम हैप्पी।
ऑफ कोर्स, क्या बात है। पर क्या गाना है, और क्या गाना आपने इनके लिए गाया, जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें। वाह क्या बात है। तो आप जरा यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिसेस चतुर्वेदी जी थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए ताकि आपकी आंखों को हम भी देख लें। इनको तो आपने मजबूर कर ही लिया जीने के लिए, लेकिन आप हम सबको भी कर लीजिए मजबूर यहाँ पे। तो आप थोड़ा सामने आ जाएंगे तो हम देख लें आपको। And we have Mr. Gary is in the house.
Gary Wabi.
Yeah, Gary Wabi is in the house. Obviously, Gary has to sing a song, but he's disappeared now. Gary has. Oh, wow.
Of course, he's ready. I think
Usha ji.
Yeah, Usha ji, I am ready to listen more of Sir Chaturvedi.
No, he is beautiful. I have to say कि किशोर दा can learn a thing or two from Sir singing. बहुत ही उन्होंने एक semi classical approach में गाना गाया है. Beautiful. But Gary, we'd love to have a song from you.
No, I don't know. I cannot sing, honestly.
I like to listen.
I only like to listen. I want Ramesh to sing.
He's a fan of karaoke. He must be singing. Gary,
listen to Ramesh.
Oh, of course, we've heard him sing. He sang "Chukar Mere Man Ko" while he was singing it, but he was behaving like another song from that same movie called Sara Zamana, wearing these light bulbs on his t-shirt. Yeah, and he was kind of Sara Zamana. That was from the movie Yarana. We have Ravi ji, Mohan ji, आप पहुंच गए जहाँ भी आप पहुंचने वाले थे। क्या बात है?
Yes, जबरदस्त पहुंच गए हैं, जबरदस्त।
सर एक गाना तो हो ही जाए, आप जहाँ पे भी बम्बई पहुंच गए तो एक गाना हो जाए बम्बई से। कहाँ पे?
नहीं, बॉम्बे नहीं। जबरदस्त पहुंच गए हैं।
The mountain resort. I can see the sunset. You've got a mountain resort. Yeah, it's.
बॉम्बे में तो नहीं लग रहे हैं।
देखो ना, look at this sunset and the.
ये ओमान में तो नहीं है, मस्कट में तो नहीं है।
नहीं, this is रसल केमा सर।
ओके।
ये खुला आसमां आ गए हम कहां मेरे जाने। क्या बात है। तो सिन्हा साहब, अब आपकी बारी, आप ही ने अंताक्षरी शुरू की थी।
शर्मा जी,
आई थिंक अब्बास साहब कुछ बोल रहे हैं।
शर्मा जी, या वो किसी की फरमाइश आई है पंकज जी की, तो in line with Kishore Da yodeling, I'd like to end.
Of course, please.
हाँ जी, but I would love anyone to join. It's a beautiful song. Abbas, with your permission.
Of course, please.
Okay. तो मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरो, फक्कड़ घुमो बन के घुमरो, मैं ये प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला। मंजिल पे मेरी नजर, मैं दुनिया से बेखबर, बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला। Paka, luka paka. Oh, mini, 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 mini. You today. Paka, luka paka. Oh, Thank you, sir.
Whoa!
Very good.
Whoa!
Fantastic.
Whoa! That is the song of the evening. This is
Fantastic.
absolutely fantastic. This is the song of the evening. I mean, it's brilliant. And I want to sing a song that all of us should sing together. I think it is जिस तरह से सिन्हा साहब ने शुरू किया था मेरे देश की धरती. Then we had एक प्यार का नगमा है. We've had some beautiful songs, but you know, it's all about being together. You know, Suman Saab spoke about laughing and enjoying and being positive. So I want to end with a song which all of us should sing. Unmute yourselves and let's all sing and make noise. And it's a song.
Everybody unmute, please.
Yeah, it's a
and
song
after
from
this
the
song,
movie
after this
Satya
song, we'll
Sarkar.
have 30 seconds of laughter before we end.
Of course, of course.
All right.
Come on. 1, 2, 3. जिंदगी मिलके
बिताएंगे,
कहानी दिल गा के सुनाएंगे, हम तो साथ हैं, ये जहां रंगीन बनाएंगे. And now 30 seconds of laughter.
Salute laughter for Sharma ji. Salute laughter for Sharma ji.
Look at
Sharma ji.
Look at you. Look in the mirror.
Salute to Sharma ji.
And everyone, come on, do this and take a screenshot. We need to do this. Yeah, this is
Screenshot.
Fantastic done by Sharma ji.
शर्मा जी ऐसे हंसाया करो, शर्मा जी ऐसे ही गाया करो, शर्मा जी ऐसे ही हंसाया करो, शर्मा जी ऐसे ही खिलाया करो.
और उसके बाद है कि रोता हुआ आया था, हंसता हुआ जाऊंगा.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है.
वो मुकद्दर सिकंदर जाने मन कहलाएगा.
Nice program. On behalf of the
Fantastic.
IBPC,
Fantastic.
I would like to thank each one of you. We came to know that we have so many singers in IBPC, and COVID time is going on. And during the COVID time, these programs help. Laughing together, singing together is the best medicine which we all have seen. शर्मा जी, आपने जिस ढंग से प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट किया, काबिले तारीफ है. एक एक पार्टिसिपेंट को आपने बिल्कुल फोकस होके जो है इन्वॉल्व किया. I have seen that finding a person which you are not involved is not there, and we would like to thank from the bottom of our heart. Thank you very much for making this event really memorable for all of us, and we wish you all the very best. Hoping to host you soon in Dubai, and
in person.
that will be an event to follow. And till then, wish you all the very best, and thank you very much for sparing your time and making us laugh, sing. And we have seen so many singers with us: Sahitya ji, Rajesh ji, Mahendra Saab, Pankaj ji, Suresh ji, and countless singers we all have seen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And I think we have now enough talent with us to do a complete program. All we will need Sharma ji to anchor it for us, and we'll all sing. So many talents have come out. Brilliant. Thank you.
Talents have come out.
I think we should form a music group.
Yeah, we should form a
group.
music
Chahiye, sir. I think we should form a music group. What we have done in the Chartered Accountants, which Naveen ji will tell you, we have formed a special dedicated music group, and we got a classical singer to train us, and for about 3 months. And now we've got actually producing our own, songs and video songs.
Wow.
So
thank you for your ideas. Definitely this we'll share in our ExCom meeting, but it's a great idea. I think we have to learn to entertain as well while we conduct our business and economic issues and programs. So look forward to many more such programs as well. And that's what we are looking forward. So thank you everyone for joining and participating. And thank you, Sharma ji. Excellent. I'll see you in Mumbai as soon as the flight starts.
See you. And like I said,
Sorry,
I came here not knowing anyone.
दिलीप साहब, आप जब शर्मा जी गौरव को थैंक कर रहे हैं, हम अपना शर्मा जी नवीन को थैंक करेंगे
Oh,
for having
yes.
put this
Yes,
program together.
absolutely, absolutely.
Absolutely, no
And
doubt.
overall, it is Suresh sir and the ExCom which said that we should go for one program, and I think everybody enjoyed very thoroughly, and we should thank Suresh sir, Dilip Saab and Sharma ji. Thank you very much. And CP, I would like to also thank for taking care all the background, especially over the Zoom. It's a difficult task, and thank you very much.
And
I'm sorry, I
nothing
came
went
very
wrong.
late.
Nothing went wrong in this. So, yeah, complicated thing was made very easy. So, CB, well done. Excellent. All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
around. Thank you all.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Allah
God bless. Take care.
Take care.
you.
Stay safe. Bye.
Starting to.